I'm going to be talking about the Black Book of Limerick, which is this wonderful medieval manuscript which hasn't had the discussion it deserves. And essentially it is an account, it is the accounting book of 3 bishops of Limerick which cover the 13th century. So the first century of Anglo-Norman activity in Limerick and indeed in Ireland, and the period of the creation of King John's Castle, the establishment of the colony, and it is all told from the perspective of bishops. And this gives us a totally new insight into the nature of the colony and the nature of rule in this period. It's a magnificent text, and what I hope to do is to share with you some of my enthusiasm for this wonderful manuscript, which, as I say, has not had the amount of airplay which it deserves.